So I encourage anyone who is trying to find that right person, maybe now is a good time to train them because the time is slowed down. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. I am here in Conyers trying to get my guys trained, looking for some guys who can move some trucks for me next year. So this is a good time for us to actually train because it's not really that hot. You can really stay focused on what it is that you're doing. So I encourage anyone who is trying to find that right person, maybe now is a good time to train them because the time is slowed down. So that's exactly what I'm doing, because when that rush is on and that heat is on and you got to get that stuff done, hey, it's kind of hard to train in June, July, and August. So that's my point. Hope you take that tip in. One of the things is you want to come up with some form of system of how you're going to do that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working this system. Some of my guys are getting frustrated because I'm stopping them and making them do it over and over. But I tell them a lot, man, you know, it's not that you're doing something wrong. You're just not doing it the way I would like it done. And I'm not this person where you gotta just do it my way. If you don't do it my way, it's wrong. I'm the type of person, if you're doing something, once it's done, I want you to be able to teach the next person what you did. And if you can't do it, it's just random, man. I don't want you randomly walking around the yard trying to look for stuff to knock down. And it's, I want you to go based upon, just like you would do any coach and football player, it's a play that we're gonna run. It gotta be something that we're gonna run. And if not, we're wasting each other's time because we can't figure out whether or not it was good or bad, and how much time. So I told my guys that, you know, one said, what does it matter, you know, if we getting it done? Well, I said to him, I said, it matters because if my way can save me 5 minutes times 10 yards, you just saved me an hour. And what I find out, saving me an hour, I can do 2 more yards per day. That puts more money in our pockets. You see what I'm saying? Because this is the way I build my schedule, based upon time. And I need that time, man. We really do. We really need that time. So I'm training the guys to stick with the route, understand the route, communicate with each other, man. Man, tell the person, hey, I'm going down the side of the house, I'm gonna do this and do that, and I'm gonna come back around. Don't work over my work. They look like, sometimes it look like dogs peeing on the same tree. And we gotta eliminate that, man. We gotta eliminate that time. So hopefully they'll figure it out because I'm gonna teach them. And they don't hopefully they don't walk away from it. Because it can be frustrating. But like I said, this is why now is the time, because it's not that hot. Imagine you trying to train this in the heat. It won't work. So we realized that the best time to train someone is between the beginning of the year, which is March to, I would say, up to June in our area. And then pretty much September and October, you can get a lot of good training in as well. The grass is not growing that tall that fast, so you ain't got to worry about someone overcutting it, undercutting it. So that's what I'm working on, so I can cut on.